Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I'm going to teach you the screw mate in the mechanical mates, right? So for that you have to create the screw mate from the toolbox, as we have created the gears, right, by the toolbox. In this portion you can just go to the ISO and select the bolt and screws, select the hex bolt structural, and I will drag it to the assembly part, right? So you can give the size of M16. Okay, I'm done with that. So this is my hex bolt. Okay, now you have to create another part which is having the hole, right? The screw will go directly in that, and if you rotate this screw, it will go inside, right? So for that I have to create one part which is having the diameter of 16 mm, right? So I will create one part, right click, 16 mm. This should be a 25 and this should be 16 mm. Okay, this should be around okay, this much long, 51, and I will save it to the this one. Go to the desktop and go to the trash, and I will select part 1 A. Okay, I'm done with that. Now I will insert that part. Which part was that? A. And yes, so what you can do, as you can see, this part has been fixed, but I have to fix this part instead of this one, so I will make it a float so that this part can. Okay, now I will fix this part so that it will not have the any moment, okay, in any direction. Now go to the mate and go to the mechanical, where you can select the screw mate, right? Either you can choose revolution per mm or distance per revolution. Okay, I prefer distance per revolution more. So where you can select this surface and this surface, so it will automatically, firstly I want to give the concentric so that it will have this moment. Okay, so as you can see, reciprocal moment is there. So you can apply the screw mate, go to the mechanical, go to the screw, and you can select the surfaces and distance per revolution. Distance per revolution, how much distance it will cover? Let's say 10 mm. Okay, you can give it, and yeah, okay. Now if you rotate the screw, see, it is going inside, right? Just like that. Okay, you can also give the limits, as I've already explained in the past videos how to give the limits for distance and angle both. So you can just give the distance limit to it so that it will not cross the limit. And now if you go to this, you can just make it a reverse so that if I rotate it will come outside, right? So you can just make it a, this is how you can create the screw mate. Okay, so this is how you can assemble two parts as a screw mates. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. And also yes, one thing I forgot to mention, that you can just directly import that part from here. There are a lot of standards are there, so that you have to follow. In some portion there will be threads, and some portion it will be a flat. So you can just go to the cosmetic thread and you can create your virtual threads over it, right? So that you can give to your bolt. And yes, that's all for the video. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep learning.